How you guys liking the passenger seat? You guys are my passengers today. Sorry if you guys move around. I try to clamp you guys down as best as possible, but the headrest is I think it's not a good place. Maybe you guys like POVs better. I don't know. Something about having a passenger next to me is kind of soothing or calming, I guess. Someone to speak to, you know? Well, I'm at the gas station. I'll be filling up gas with Gas Buddy. Park that right here. Look at this. Full tank of gas for $65. We'll warm up a little bit and we're gonna... Why is there a Tesla here? Well, you guys see the Tesla? Oh, they're going for the car wash. I was gonna turn off my car for a second. Hey, yeah. Person does not have their headlights on. They just have DRLs on, and that is the dumbest way to get a ticket. Turn on your headlight. How are you guys doing? Sitting comfortably? Do you not like the wind? I love the wind in my hair. I actually gotta go pee really badly. Yeah, I think overall this car or this exhaust setup would be amazing if you're doing long road trips and you hate the droning sound and you just want some peace and quiet once in a while. But like a normal day-to-day driving, having a muffler to lead with this resonator is good enough. I might annoy the neighbors once in a while, but hey, smiles is better than no smiles. If you hear a lot of shifting around, it's because I need to clean out my car. At all, and sure, it's nice, but I do like hearing the little growls once in a while, you know. Anyone else with me? I'm just gonna go over to this side. Go 67 miles an hour, just a tad bit faster than the 65 limit. thinking next video, maybe go for a drive. Just me, no talking, just a night drive to, I think it's a famous place here in the Bay Area called Alice's Restaurant out in the forest area. Not that far of a drive, and some people like to speed through there. I just like driving at the speed limit or slightly slower and just see the scenery. And like, you know, you gotta watch out for deer because it is the forest, mountainous areas. But yeah, what do you guys think about this exhaust setup? Do you guys like it? Hate it? I deem it as the quietest exhaust setup for the WRX as of this new generation. The VB generation. I hope you guys are looking straight. Because you guys can't really look side to side or behind. I'll definitely switch out the axle back tomorrow, and then whenever I do road trips, I'll go back to this setup, which I think my next road trip is in July to Joshua Tree in Southern California. Everyone that I spoke to says it's a beautiful deserty campsite, so I might make a vlog out of that, but on a separate channel, or maybe this channel, who knows. $547 for premium, $569 for diesel. I thought diesel used to be cheaper than normal gasoline cars or gas. What do you guys want to see me do? Do more vlogging, driving things, or just more installations of some sort? Let me know. Until then, I guess I'll catch you guys next week with whatever I plan to give you guys. I think. I don't know. We'll see. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.